Good evening all, Mac Blogs here, aka Ian. I have just nearly spent 14 nights here at Universal's Endless Summer Resort, Dockside and in suites, and it's the second time I've stayed here, and to be honest it's been fantastic. So this is just going to be a room tour of the room that I've stayed in for the last 13 nights, 14th night tonight. And I've done a vlog series here in Orlando covering some of the parks and some of the local things in the area to this hotel, and those videos should be up by now. So things like Roboland, Deezerland, the Titanic artifact exhibit, and a few other things that you can actually walk to from this resort as well. So yeah, but this is going to be a room tour. So this is a queen room with a pool view, and I'm staying in Tower 1. So it's Endless Summer Resort, and this is Dockside. You do get Surfside, so you get you get one resort, but you get Surfside and you get Dockside. I'm staying in Dockside, and with Dockside you get the main lobby in the middle, and then you get two towers each end. Left hand side tower is Tower 1, right hand side is Tower 2. I'm staying in Tower 1. It is getting dark, or it is dark outside just now. I'll show you the view that I have just now, but if I remember I'll put in the view. I've covered the view a few times from my stay and my previous vlogs and my series that I've just done from here, so I'll try and put a clip in from during the day with the pool, the view. The pools are very good here. They are they're huge, they're massive. The pool area, the bar, everything. Yeah, I don't really complain. I'm not that kind of person. I don't look for negatives, but it's all been very positive for me for staying here. So anyway, let me show you the room that I've been staying in for the last I don't know, I'm flying home tomorrow, and the thought of it, flying home tomorrow, is very hard, very tough. I'm looking at my bags just now. I'll show you. My bags are sitting here, all packed, ready to go tomorrow. So flying back with Virgin, I'll be vlogging that tomorrow, that experience. Flying back with Virgin tomorrow direct from Orlando to Manchester Airport. But yeah, sad times. Start at the front door, make sure you know where you are. So my room is there with a red dot, just for any fire escapes. So familiarise yourself with that. You've got a lock here. You put your card in, that turns the power off and on. And then coming in is me. Nice space here to put everything you're going to buy and your bags if you wish there. Nice mirror here with some hooks on it. And remember the theme of the hotel is Surfside and Dockside, so that's the theme. So you've got your wardrobe here with these curtains. I've still got some clothes hanging up. So ironing board, iron, this thing that folds out for your bag. Your safe. I mean, that's how the depth of it there, if you can just see there. This is also spare pillows, blanket if you get cold, or just additional stuff. There's your control for your heating, thermostat. I'll come back to the shower room in a moment. This is an overview. I've turned the lights off. I'll show you the cool lights I have above the bed as well. I like them. I've turned the main light off, but there is no kind of main light really, but I've turned them off. The only light you really have in here is that corner lamp and those two lights, and then when you have that switch on you have these two. So it's a nice relax, that's why I've got this kind of relaxed feel. It's not too bright, but two big beds. Then nice big workspace here. You've got a mini fridge, and the mini fridge is a good size. To be honest, it's good size in here. I've got a bottle of Coke in there, giving my secrets away. But it's a nice size of mini fridge. You've got 3 drawers, all of which the same size. Coffee machine. You do have some condiments here as well. Some sugars, stuff like that in there. There's your coffee. So 100% Arabican. I have used it before, but I haven't used it on this day. Some cups there. Yeah, this charging point says you've got a USB, got a charging point in there as well. I like this, catch the wave. Again, staying with the theme. TV, charging points again, so charging point, USB point. You've got the phone, got a cool pen, paper. There's some information. I'll scan this just now quickly and you can pause it if you wish. Nice seat here. The light, if you're wondering how to put this light on, it's right there. There's a button there. So hopefully that saves you half an hour like me trying to figure it out. The view, I'll come back to at the end, just because I need to turn the light off, because I get a reflection of myself, and that's never good, get a reflection of me. So again, nice pictures. I like this chest here, it doesn't open but it's cool. Clock here as well, I believe it's an alarm clock, that's the time. Do have charging points here as well, so we've got a USB point in there. I've got this is mine here, so it's a little gadget that I bought myself. I get 4 USB points. That's charging my phone just now. This is really cool. You see this? Let's pull this wee cord here, little cord. So good. Turn that back off just now. Yeah, you do get interlinking rooms as well, so if you're staying with a larger family, you can have next door, I believe, and you can link them. More charging points down there. Yeah, I forgot to show you this as well. This little chair slides out, the stool slides out there so you can have a seat. Please mind the mess. I have been shopping a little bit today in today's vlog, where I went to Dieselland, which was fun. That vlog should be up on my channel just now. But I'm going to get out of the way of this mirror. Probably see my camera in a moment. So yeah, nice. I call it a shower area, a wet room area. There's no bath. I believe there is family suites here, that's what it's called, in suite, so I haven't seen them myself personally, so hopefully there is content out there to help me with that. Plenty of towels. So you do get complimentary facial soap and tissues. Turn the light on, separate light in here. You do get complimentary shampoo, conditioner and soap as well for the shower. Shower has been great. Turn the shower on that side and it comes on that side there. That little thing there is for hanging up, so you pull that cord, pull the middle section, pull that out, a cord comes out and you just put it onto that, then you can hang things on there to dry. Yeah, got everything you need, in my opinion, and it has been a great stay again here. Yeah, let's have a look at the view. So the view, there's the lights off. So this is a pool view room. Again, this is tower 1. So tower 1, that's further away. You go along, come back, go down here and along, and the lobby is that way. To take that way. So that's further away. Let me get close to the window here. The pool, you get like a little beach area there, a little splash area down there. The pool is huge. You get 3 lifeguards, 1, 2, 3 lifeguards. That's how big the pool is. You've got the bar there, the pool bar, and you enter here and here, down there, and you can also enter and exit just at the side of the pool bars as well. You need your key card for your room though, just to get in to the pool area. So if you wanted to get the bus, for example, you come out of the pool area this way. You don't have to go through the lobby, just go out that way and then walk behind, outside the pool area, and walk towards the gate. It will take you, another gate takes you towards the buses, right direct at the buses. It takes you to Universal Orlando Resort for the 2 theme parks, and there's a separate bus that takes you to Volcano Bay, the water park as well. But yeah, that's the view. I'll try and remember to put in a clip of during the day. If I don't remember, then I do cover them in quite a lot of my vlogs from this series, so hopefully you catch the view then if you wish to watch them. So yeah, let's get the light back on. Oh. Turn myself around, I'll turn the camera around. Hey, me again. So, I've never covered it much on my vlog, I don't think, just yet, because this might come in on either before my travel vlog or after my travel home vlog, so I don't know yet. But staying in Universal, my plan was staying at Universal and do the majority of Universal and the surrounding areas. I done that. That was the majority of it. I did go and do a bit of Walt Disney World. It's harder to get to Walt Disney World as in there and back without getting tired and taking it out of you. Because if you want to enjoy the full immersiveness of Walt Disney World, in my opinion, you try and do the split stays. So I don't usually do that, what I've done in my previous, on this series, sorry. What I usually do is, I haven't done the series of that yet, but if I'm staying at Walt Disney World, I stay at Walt Disney World, and then if I want to do Universal, I come over and I stay 2 or 3 nights at Universal Resort, and then I go back to Walt Disney World. And then if I was to do the same here, I would do that over there, stay a couple of days at Walt Disney World, just because of the way the things all work. But it didn't really work out for me for this trip. I couldn't really do it, just regard to planning, and I just wanted a little bit of Disney, and I got that, and it was great to get back into 1 or 2 of those parks. Yeah, it was really good to do 3 of the parks. I got to 3 of the parks, and I got to do things that I never had a chance to do. So many cool things on this trip. I really enjoy coming here. This is my second home, if you want to call it, Orlando. Love it, love it, love it. And I'll always be coming back to Orlando, Walt Disney World, Universal, and everything else that's got to offer, including the weather. So yeah, anyway, hopefully this video has helped, and I have other videos of this hotel on my channel. So I have done nothing's really changed in regards to the hotel itself, so I've done a tour of the kind of hotel before, so that's on my channel and other things as well. So anyway, if you've watched this far, thank you for watching, and hit subscribe, follow me for future content, join my community, and hopefully I see you in the future. So until then, I'll see you then, bye bye.